General breeding methods: crop plants, self-pollinated plants, cross-pollinated plants, and vegetatively or asexually propagated plants. Self-pollinated plants, self-fertility, autogamous. Cross-pollinated plant, allogamy, allogamous or cross-fertilizing, and vegetatively propagated, asexually propagated species, both in and outbreeders. Self-pollinated species, autogamous species or inbreeders. Cross-pollinated species, allogamous species or outbreeders. Outbreeders means randomly mating genotypes. Outbreeders means randomly mating genotypes. Randomly mating genotypes are under cross-pollinated crops. And vegetatively or asexually propagated crops, both in and outbreeders. Deleterious genes are eliminated due to inbreeding by gene fixation. Deleterious genes are eliminated due to inbreeding by gene fixation. Self-pollinated species are inbreeders and cross-pollinated species are outbreeders. Homozygous or true breeding or homozygosity, heterozygosity. Homogeneity, heterogeneity. Tolerant to inbreeding, intolerant to inbreeding. No new gene combination from different sources. More variability in component lines only, more variability over the entire population. In component lines only, over the entire population. Deleterious genes are eliminated due to inbreeding by gene fixation. Narrow or less adaptability, self-pollinated species. Wide adaptability to environment. Less flexible, more flexible. Don't have deleterious recessive genes. Have deleterious recessive genes that are concealed by masking effect of dominant genes. Low degree of inbreeding depression, high degree of inbreeding depression on selfing in case of cross-pollinated species. Cross-pollinated species are randomly mating, means each genotype has equal chance to mate with all other genotypes. Randomly mating means each genotype has equal chance to mate with all other genotypes. Components which support self-pollination are homogamy, clistogamy, chasmogamy, bisexuality. And components which support cross-pollination are dichogamy, moiety, dioecy, heterostyly, harcogamy, self-incompatibility, and male sterility. What are the components that support the concept of self-pollination? Homogamy, clistogamy, chasmogamy, and bisexuality. What are the components that support cross-pollination? Dichogamy, moiety, dioecy, heterostyly, harcogamy, self-incompatibility, and male sterility. Asexually or vegetative propagated species. Components that support asexually or vegetatively propagated species or vegetative propagation. Vegetatively propagated species, highly heterozygous. Broad genetic base, has broad genetic base, wide adaptability, more flexibility. F1 hybrids segregate. Genetic constitution is determined by mode of pollination. Pure lines and inbred lines have narrow adaptation. The examples of asexually or vegetatively propagated species are sugarcane potato, sweet potato. So asexually or vegetatively propagated species are highly heterozygous, has broad genetic base, wide adaptability, more flexibility. F1 hybrid segregate and genetic constitution is determined by mode of pollination. Pure lines and inbred lines have narrow adaptation. Plant breeding populations. Plant breeding populations are 4 types. First is homogeneous population, second is heterogeneous population, third is homozygous population, and fourth is heterozygous population. So what are these 4 types of plant breeding populations? First is homogeneous population, genetically similar population, similar plant population. Example, pure lines, inbred lines, F1 hybrid between 2 pure lines, F1 hybrid between 2 inbred lines, progeny of a clone. Heterogeneous population have wide adaptability, stable under different environments. They are genetically dissimilar plant populations. Example, mass selected population or varieties, land races, composites, synthetics, and multilines. Mass selected varieties or population, mixture of several pure lines. So mass selected varieties or populations are mixture of several pure lines. Land races, composites, synthetics, and multilines. Homozygous population. Non-segregating genotypes on selfing, same type of alleles or identical alleles at the corresponding loci. True breeding population are called as homozygous population. Example, pure lines, inbred lines, mass selected populations in self-pollinated plants, and multilines Mass selected populations in self-pollinated plants and multilines are homozygous but heterogeneous. And pure lines and inbreed lines are homozygous and homogeneous combinations. So homozygous population have non-segregating genotypes in selfing. Some same type of alleles or identical alleles are present at the corresponding loci. True breeding populations are the homozygous populations. Combinations pure line and inbreed lines are homozygous and homogeneous, but mass selected populations in self-pollinated species and multilines are homozygous but heterogeneous. Same type of mass selected varieties and multilines have same type of zygotes, but same type or have same type of alleles, but their genes or genotypes are different. Heterozygous populations have different types of alleles, unlike alleles on the corresponding loci. Greater buffering capacity to environmental fluctuations or changing environments. Segregate on selfing. Unlike alleles present at the corresponding loci, greater buffering capacity than other type of populations to environmental fluctuations and segregate on selfing. Example of heterozygous populations: combination F1 hybrids between inbreed lines and progeny of a clone are heterozygous but homogeneous, and composites and synthetics varieties are heterozygous and heterogeneous. So F1 hybrids between inbreed line and progeny of a clone, F1 hybrids developed from an inbreed line and a progeny of a clone is heterozygous but homogeneous. And in case of composites and synthetic varieties, they are both heterozygous and heterogeneous. Plant breeding methods for genetic improvement of crop plants: general methods, special methods, population improvement approaches. Three types of plant breeding method. First is general method, most commonly used. Most commonly used methods are selection, hybridization and mutation. Special methods are rarely used. And third is population improvement approaches. General methods are selection, hybridization, mutation. General method, 14 types of general methods: plant introduction, plant selection, pure line selection, mass selection, progeny selection, clonal selection, hybridization, pedigree method, bulk method, backcross method, heterosis breeding, synthetics breeding, composites breeding, SSD or single seed descent method. General methods are 14. Special methods are 4: mutation breeding, polyploidy, wide crossing or distant hybridization, and biotechnology. Wide crossing type population improvement method is also called as distant hybridization method. Distant hybridization equal to wide crossing. So special methods are 4: mutation breeding, polyploidy breeding, wide crossing or distant hybridization, and biotechnology. Then type 3 of population improvement approaches. Under population improvement approaches, 4 types of approaches are recurrent selection, disruptive mating and selection, diallel selective mating system DSM, and biparental mating. What are the population improvement approaches? Recurrent selection, disruptive mating and selection, diallel selective mating system DSM, diallel selective mating system or DSM, and biparental mating. Recurrent selection is under population improvement approaches. Hybridization. Methods involving hybridization, methods not involving hybridization. Methods involving hybridization, those methods that involve hybridization are pedigree, bulk method, backcross method, and SSD, single seed descent, heterosis breeding. Population improvement approaches, molecular breeding, marker aided selection. Methods that do not involve hybridization are plant introduction, plant selection, pure line selection, mass selection, progeny selection, clonal selection, mutation breeding, and transgenic breeding. Pedigree, bulk, backcross, and heterosis breeding involve hybridization. Pure line, mass, progeny, and clonal selection don't involve hybridization. Methods of breeding for autogamous species or genetic improvement of autogamous or self-pollinated species. Methods of breeding of autogamous species are done due to exploit the homozygosity or to take the full benefits from homozygosity of autogamous species. Direct hybridization, as autogamous species are highly homogeneous. Direct hybridization is done in case of autogamous species, as autogamous species are highly homogeneous. Direct hybridization is done in case of autogamous species, as autogamous species are highly homogeneous. Plant introduction, mass selection, pure line selection, pedigree method, single seed descent method, bulk method, backcross, heterosis breeding, mutation breeding, polyploidy, transgenic distant hybridization. 4 population improvement breeding methods already known. For allogamous species, not direct hybridization, as allogamous species are highly heterozygous. First selfing or inbreeding between the species, develop the inbreed lines, then hybridization between those inbreed lines. So in case of allogamous species, we do not do direct hybridization, as allogamous species are highly, or allogamous or cross-pollinated species are highly heterogeneous. First we do selfing or inbreeding between some species, then we develop the inbreed lines, then we do hybridization in those inbreed lines. We indirectly do hybridization in case of cross-pollinated or allogamous species to exploit the heterozygosity among them, to take the full benefits from the heterozygosity of cross-pollinated species. The practices are plant introduction, mass selection, progeny selection, backcross method, distant hybridization, heterosis breeding, synthetic breeding, composite breeding, polyploidy breeding, transgenic breeding, mutation breeding. Mutation breeding is rarely used in case of cross-pollinated or allogamous species. So which type of method is rarely used in case of allogamous or cross-pollinated species? Mutation breeding. 3 population improvement approaches: recurrent selection, disruptive mating, and biparental mating. For asexually propagated species, selection of F1 hybrids or F1 generation, identification of superior clones, multiplication of superior clones, maintenance and conservation of hybrid vigor. Very easy. Selection of F1 hybrids or F1 generation, identification of superior clones, multiplication of superior clones, then maintenance and conservation of hybrid vigor. This maintenance and conservation of hybrid vigor in case of asexually propagated or vegetatively propagated species is very easy process. Plant introduction, mass selection is rarely used, clonal selection, heterosis breeding, mutation breeding, polyploidy breeding, transgenic breeding, distant hybridization. So in case of asexually propagated or vegetatively propagated species, which type of selection or which type of breeding method is very rarely used? Mass selection. In case of cross-pollinated species, mutation breeding is rarely used, and in case of asexual or vegetatively propagated species, mass selection is rarely used. Plant introduction. First is plant introduction. It is used in all self, cross and asexually propagated species. It is the oldest and rapid method. Plant introduction in 3 ways: directly as a variety after selection, and as a variety in the hybridization, as a parent in the hybridization. Pure line selection, mostly used in self-pollinated species, sometimes used in cross-pollinated species to develop the inbreed lines. A single based pure line is released as a variety. Pure line selection is done to develop inbreed lines. So which type of selection or population improvement method is used to develop inbreed lines? Pure line selection. Pure line variety are homozygous and homogeneous. Mass selection, very common in cross-pollinated species. In a mass selected variety is a mixture of several hetero and homozygotes, and rare in self-pollinated species. In a mass selected variety is a mixture of several pure lines, and in asexually propagated species also rare. Common in cross-pollinated species where the mass selected variety is a mixture of several hetero and homozygotes, and rare mass selection is rarely used in self-pollinated species where a mass selected variety is a mixture of several pure lines, and also rarely used in asexually propagated species. This mass selected variety in case of cross-pollinated species are heterozygous and heterogeneous in mass selection, and this mass selected variety in case of self-pollinated species is homozygous heterogeneous population, homozygous but heterogeneous. Then progeny selection. Progeny selection is used in cross-pollinated species. Variety under progeny is a mixture of several hetero and homozygotes. Progeny variety is heterozygous, heterogeneous. So progeny selection is used in cross-pollinated species. Variety of progeny is a mixture of several hetero and homozygotes. Progeny variety is heterozygous and heterogeneous. Pedigree method, transfer polygenic characters. Which type of population improvement or crop improvement method is used to transfer polygenic characters? Pedigree method. Pedigree method is used in both self-pollinated and cross-pollinated species. In self-pollinated species, pedigree method is used to develop progeny of a single based homozygote is released as a variety. This variety is homozygous population, homogeneous population. And in case of cross-pollinated species, pedigree method is used to develop inbreed lines. So in case of self-pollinated species, pedigree method is used to develop several homozygotes that are released as a best homozygote is released as a variety. This variety is homozygous and homogeneous population. And in case of cross-pollinated species, this pedigree method is used to develop several inbreed lines. Pedigree method is used to transfer polygenic characters. Bulk and single seed descent method are used in self-pollinated species. Progeny of a single based homozygote is released as a variety. This variety is homozygous and homogeneous population. Bulk and single seed descent method are used in self-pollinated species. Progeny of a single based homozygote is released as a variety. This variety is homozygous and homogeneous population. Backcross method used in all self-cross and asexually propagated species. Backcross method transfer more oligogenic characters than polygenic characters from a donor source to a well-adapted variety. Transfer male sterility. Which type of develop multi-lines are isogenic lines? End product of backcross method is similar to parent variety, except for the character which has to be transferred from donor source. So backcross method is something different. It is used in all self-cross and asexually propagated species. Backcross method transfer polygenic characters, whereas we have learned that pedigree method is used to transfer polygenic characters, but backcross method is used to transfer oligogenic characters from a donor source to a well-adapted variety. It transfer male sterility. Which type of crop improvement method is used to transfer male sterility? Backcross or backcrossing method is used to transfer male sterility. It develops multi-lines and isogenic lines. End product of backcross method equal to similar to that of parent variety, but except for the character that has to be transferred from donor source. Backcross method also develops multi-lines and isogenic lines. Multi-line varieties developed in self-pollinated species, mixture of several isogenic lines, multi-line varieties, closely related or unrelated species. Isogenic lines are. Multi-line varieties are homozygous and heterogeneous populations. So multi-line varieties are developed in self-pollinated species. Multi-line varieties are mixture of which type of lines? Mixture of several isogenic lines. These isogenic lines are closely related or unrelated. Multi-line varieties are homozygous but heterogeneous population. Homozygous but heterogeneous population. Then comes to clonal selection. Clonal selection used in asexually propagated species. Progeny of a single based clone is released as a variety. This variety is heterozygous population and homogeneous population. So, which type of crop improvement method is very commonly used in asexually or vegetatively propagated species? Clonal selection. Progeny of a single clone is released as a variety. This variety is heterozygous population but homogeneous population. Heterozygous but homogeneous. Synthetic and composite varieties are a mixture of several homozygotes and heterozygotes developed in cross-pollinated species. These varieties are heterogeneous population. Synthetic and composite varieties are a mixture of several homozygotes and heterozygotes developed in cross-pollinated species. They are heterogeneous population. Synthetics and composites. Heterosis breeding. Heterosis breeding is very common in cross-pollinated and asexually propagated species and rarely followed in self-pollinated species. Heterosis breeding develop hybrid variety. That hybrid variety is homogeneous population but heterozygous population. So heterosis breeding is very commonly used in cross-pollinated species and asexually propagated species, but very rarely used in self-pollinated species. It is used to develop hybrid variety. That hybrid variety is homogeneous population and heterozygous population. Homogeneous population and heterozygous population. Mutant breeding. Mutant breeding is commonly used in self-pollinated and asexually propagated species, and mutant breeding is rarely used in cross-pollinated species. Mutant breeding is commonly used in self-pollinated and asexually propagated species, rarely used in cross-pollinated species. Mutant variety, very low 0.1%. Segregant variety, frequency of segregation is very high. Mutant variety differs from parent variety in one or few characters. Segregant variety differs from parent variety in several characters. So mutant breeding is commonly used in self-pollinated and asexually propagated species, but rarely used in cross-pollinated species. Mutant variety, frequency of mutant variety is very low 0.1%, but frequency of segregant variety is very high. Mutant variety differs from the parent variety in one or few characters. Segregant variety differs from parent variety in several characters. Polyploidy breeding. Commonly used in asexually propagated species, polyploidy breeding, and rarely in self and cross-pollinated species. So which type of crop improvement method is commonly used in asexually or vegetatively propagated species and rarely used in self and cross-pollinated species? Polyploidy breeding. Polyploidy variety have gigant morphological characters. They differs from parent variety in chromosome number. Polyploid variety have gigant morphological characters. They differ from parent variety in case of chromosome numbers. Transgenic breeding. Not a substitute of conventional breeding methods but a tool to solve specific problems which are not solved by those conventional breeding methods. Transgenic breeding is used in all self, cross and asexually propagated species. So what do you mean by transgenic breeding? It is not a substitute of conventional breeding methods, but it is a tool to solve the specific problems which are not solved by those conventional or old breeding methods. It is used in all self, cross and asexually propagated species. Transgenic breeding. Then moves to distant hybridization, used in all self, cross and asexually propagated species. It transfers some desirable genes from wild species to cultivated species. Distant hybridization is used in all self, cross and asexually propagated species. It transfers some desirable genes from wild species to cultivated species. Recurrent selection is commonly used in cross-pollinated species and rarely used in self-pollinated and asexually propagated species. Recurrent selection is used for improvement of population by accumulation of favorable genes in a population. So recurrent selection is commonly used in cross-pollinated species and rarely used in asexually propagated species and self-pollinated species. Recurrent selection is used for the population improvement by accumulation of favorable genes in a population. Disruptive mating and biparental mating used in both self and cross-pollinated species. Disruptive mating. Disruptive and biparental mating. Disruptive and biparental mating both used in self and cross-pollinated species. DSM or diallel selective mating used in only self-pollinated species. Which type of crop improvement method is used only in self-pollinated species? Diallel selective mating. DSM or diallel selective mating is used for only the improvement of self-pollinated species. Homozygosity. Proportion of homozygous individuals in a segregating population. Homozygosity equal to 2m minus 1 by 2m to the power n. M equal to number of generations of self-pollination, small n equal to number of gene pairs segregating. Autogamy equal to development of seed by self-pollination, allogamy development of seed by cross-pollination. Homozygosity, proportion of homozygous individuals in a segregating population. Homozygous individuals. Homozygosity equal to 2m minus 1 by 2m to the power n. M equal to number of generations in self-pollination and small n equal to number of generations, number of gene pairs segregating. Autogamy development of seed by self-pollination, allogamy development of seed by cross-pollination.